And here is a creative folding staircase idea. It is designed for houses with small spaces, which is often in demand in large cities. So curious. What is he doing? Oh, he's using a remote-controlled boat to catch fish without having to wade into the water. What a fantastic idea. This is a socket with many jacks. What did he do with it? Oh, it's an innovative socket design. It can help you replace your old one with single jack socket without major impact on the existing electrical system. It also has a lot of features for you, charging your phone, an innovative outlet idea, and many other features. It's like a universal socket. This farmer is so creative. With this idea, he is also getting 1,000 likes. It helps him a lot in collecting dried shrimp. This is a tool that can firmly attach to flat and clean surfaces, which using the principle of vacuum suction. Let's watch him try it and see if it holds when he stands up. If you use this method to punch holes in ceramic tiles, it will be difficult to have a beautiful hole. To try this ceramic tile drill, it will be much better than the previous way. Wow, what a great tool! It's really effective. Oh, he's so smart. By doing this, he made it simple to load the grass into the truck.